Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Chi Hot Styling Brush. This innovative brush uses negative ion technology to reduce frizz and lock in moisture with its generator at the base of the bristles. Let's begin by prepping the hair with Chi Iron Guard before styling. Let's split our hair into sections. Taking bigger sections of hair, hold it firmly and glide the brush downward from underneath. The Chi Hot Styling Brush is perfect for all hair textures, whether you have fine, medium, or coarse hair. Finally, add a dime-sized portion of Chi Silk Infusion throughout the hair for a sleek, shiny finish. Get a straight, sleek, finished look, or simply smooth out your hair for further styling. Chi for Ulta Hot Styling Brush, sold exclusively at Ulta.